This is an iMovie by Brendan, Luke, and Cole, and our presentation is on
Charlemagne was asked by Pope Leo III for help against a rebellious group of Roman nobles.
Charlemagne was crowned the Emperor of the Romans by the Pope for helping him. The Eastern Roman Emperor was mad because he thought he was the sole Roman ruler.
Charlemagne spread Christianity throughout conquered lands.
Charlemagne used education to unify his kingdom and had his officials keep accurate records. Charlemagne himself could read but not write.
Charlemagne left a long-lasting legacy after he died. He revived the glory of Rome
And set up a strong and efficient government. This has been an iMovie presentation by Cole, Luke, and Brendan.